The Chengdu J-20 is the most advanced Chinese fighter jet. It is also known as the Mighty Dragon. The J-20 is a single-jet, twin-engine, all-weather, stealth fifth-generation fighter aircraft developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. The J-20 is designed as an air superiority jet fighter with precision strike capability. The J-20 is the world's third operational fifth-generation stealth fighter right after F-22 and F-35. The J-22 has a long and blended fuselage with a chiseled nose section and flameless canopy. Immediately behind the cockpit are low observable intakes, all moving canard surfaces with the pronounced dihedral and placed behind the intakes, followed by leading-edge extensions merging into the delta wing with forward-swept trailing edges. The AFT section has twin outward canted all-moving fins, short but deep ventral strakes, and conventional or low observable engine exhausts. One important design criterion for the J-20 is high instability. This requires sustained pitch authority at high edge of attack, in which conventional tail plane would lose effectiveness due to stalling. On the other hand, a canard can deflect opposite to the angle of attack, avoiding stall and thereby maintaining control. A canard design is also known as to provide good supersonic performance, excellent supersonic and transonic turn performance, and improved short-field landing performance compared to the conventional delta wing design. The avionics of J-20 aims to obtain situational awareness through advanced sensor fusion while denying situational awareness of adversary through stealth and electronic warfare. J-20 features an integrated avionics suite consisting of multiple spectral sensors capable of providing omnidirectional coverage. Official information on the type of radar that J-20s use has not been released publicly. It is believed that J-20 used Type 1475 active electronically scanned array AESA radar with 1856 transmit and receive modules. The main weapon bay is capable of housing both short and long-range air-to-air missiles, with the two smaller lateral weapon bays behind the air inlets are intended short-range AAMS. While the fighter typically carries weapons internally, the wings include 4 hardpoints to extend the firing range by carrying auxiliary fuel tanks. The J-20 is reported to lack an internal autocannon or rotary cannon, suggesting the aircraft is not intended to be used in short-range dogfight engagement with the other aircraft, but engage them from long standoff ranges with the missiles such as PL-15 and PL-21. Analysts noted that the J-20 airframe employs a holistic approach to reduce its radar cross-section. The chained forebody, modified radar radome, and electroconductive canopy uses stealth shaping design, yielding signature performance in a mature design similar to F-22. The diverter supersonic inlets DSI leading into serpentine ducts can obscure the reflective surface of the engine from the radar detections. Additional low observable features include a flat fuselage, bottom holding an internal weapon bay, Sawtooth edges on compartment doors, mesh coverings on cooling ports at the base of the vertical tails. Embedded antennas radar's absorbent material can used as coating. It is agreed by the military analysts that J-20 stealth design is superior to that of the Russian Su-57. The visual physical configuration and stealth shaping have been claimed to be influenced by foreign aircraft, including the F-22, F-35, F-117, MiG-1.44, MiG-31, Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon. The J-20 can reportedly climb at the rate of 304 meters per second, with the maximum speed of 2,100 km per hour. The single-seater fighter has been manufactured by China's Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group. The range and service ceiling will be 3,400 km and 18,000 meters respectively. The J-20 participated in its first over-ocean combat exercise in May 2018. In May 2018, Indian Air Chief Marshal B.S. Dhananoa told a press conference that the radars on India's Su-30 MKI fighters were good enough and could detect the J-20 from several kilometers away. As of July 2021, the estimated that 150 of J-20 fighter has been incorporated into the PLAAF service. Dear viewers, what's your opinion about the J-20's ability?